and in order. So first of all, alright, there we are. We're going to rearrange this. So the first thing we do is go and locate where this file is. Remember where it is. It's somewhere. If we go to our resources, let me close all this. If we go to resources, then we go to layouts, then let me brighten this. We'll go to layouts, then we'll go to menu. So this is where all the menus are. As you can see, there are four menus. We're going to work with this QR code. We need the transactions first, because all users should have access to transactions. All users. And then only, so I think I should just put them in comments. All, oh sorry, this is how you give comments in Blade. This way, this is how you give comments in Blade. So all users should have access to this. Then only webmasters should have access to these two, and then admin should have access to we have to put roles at the bottom. So the roles, we put them at the bottom. So this one will be moderators, this will be moderators, and of course finally we have admin. Only admin should have access to this. Admin. Alright, so what we're gonna do right away is we start making it possible using if statements. So using an if statement, we can do, I think we can do if the person viewing this is an admin, if auth user role ID, if their role ID is 1, then we should display this. So and if. So this particular option should only show if the user is an admin. In our own case, I am not currently an admin. If I refresh, it will be shown. It's gone. The roles option. So we want only admin to be able to change people's roles, period. Okay. And then, so if an admin employs a new staff as moderator, admin should be able to go to their profile and change their role. So we're going to do the same thing again, just in a similar way for the moderators. So if in the case of the moderator, admin should have access to that too. So we're going to say if the role ID is less than 3. If it's less than 3, then it's either 1 or 2. So which means it's an admin, and if. So which means the person is either an admin or a moderator. So admin and moderator should have access to this. Alright. Cool. Now we're gonna go for the third one, which is I don't think we should separate these two, but we can, depending on how you want to build the platform. If you don't want normal users to be able to create QR codes, great. Maybe they should do some application or something. I think we should have that. We're gonna do the same thing. In this case, we're just gonna do if it's less than 4, right? If it's less than 4, then they are a webmaster. So we can do end if. And then the last one, everybody has access, so we don't need to do anything here. Alright, so if we go here, we'll see that nothing will really change, because I think I'm currently signed up as an administrator, and there we are. I'm currently an administrator, so nothing is affected. So there's another way to write this. Maybe it will be more elegant, and let me show you the way. Like here, we're gonna say we can do something like take this if statement, put it at the bottom, which means moderator should be able to see anything. I mean, webmaster should be able to see anything below this. But then this if statement also prevents them from seeing this. We can take this and go down again. So depending on how you want to arrange, we can do this, for instance. this way, put it down here. You see, so webmasters see from here below. That's what this means. And then but here also only moderators can see from here below. Then only admin can see from here below. So this will make sense if you have so many menus. There are some platforms you'll be building, you have so many items on your menu. So this kind of arrangement makes sense. But in this platform, we just have 4 or 3, so it can still work just this way. If statement here, if statement start end, if statement start end. All right. So in the next video, we're just restricting view, that they shouldn't see the option. For instance, we're just restricting that they shouldn't see the option. Now I'm logged in as a moderator. What if I just come here, knowing that there is a roles model, and I do roles, hit enter. You see, if somebody knows the correct URL, they can still access it even without being able to see it. So we need to actually block